Indian companies now export to around 100 countries. Friends, strategic reforms such as Make in India, production-linked incentive schemes, and a digital transformation have fostered a conducive environment for innovation, investment, and manufacturing growth. India's young and skilled workforce, expanding infrastructure, and rising technological capabilities are further strengthening its role as a global economic hub and reliable partner in resilient supply chains. This economic momentum not only enhances India's strategic influence, but also creates vast opportunities for international collaboration and investment. We have liberalized our foreign direct investment policy in the defense sector. Up to 74% FDI is now allowed under the automatic route, and beyond that, through government route, and especially when it brings in modern or state-of-the-art technology. Our defense production ecosystem is being continuously liberalized through various policy interventions, and compliances mechanisms are being simplified to make India more and more business-friendly. Many components, subsystems, production equipment, and testing equipment have been removed from restrictive licensing in reduced entry barriers, especially for smaller players. Friends, in order to accelerate defense research and development in the private sector, we have opened avenues for free of cost technology transfer through Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. And there are attractive schemes for development of cutting-edge and frontier technologies put in place to encourage research and development in defense, and they are giving excellent results in recent years. Friends, I would now like to explicitly highlight some of the areas in which we can straightway build our partnership, the so-called low-hanging fruits. India, with its robust shipbuilding capability, diverse defense manufacturing base, and a growing ecosystem of the private sector innovators and startups, stands ready to be a trusted partner in this journey.